This season of work and relaxation in the garden has gone by in a flash, but we've managed to accomplish a lot in this short time. The Pallet sofa was one of the best ideas we had this year. The most expensive part was a cushion from JYSK, but the result exceeded all expectations. It is very comfortable and looks modern. Another update is the arch in the garden. We are still considering whether we chose the right place for it and whether we should plant something that will climb along it. But even without plants, the arch looks great and adds a special charm to the garden. This year we have been doing a lot of rattan weaving. We wove, taught others, and made videos. Now, in the winter, we continue to create. We are preparing pots for the next season. We have woven a lot of them for ourselves and on order. We have a new passion for amaryllis. We especially like the giant triple XL, but now we know how to avoid planting them so that they grow well. This year's figs were incredible. It was enough for our family and neighbors. Grapes also pleased us with a good harvest. We bought a wheelbarrow, but have not yet had time to test it in operation. We additionally sowed the lawn, mowed it, and then, unfortunately, trampled it with the new equipment. When there was almost nothing left of the lawn, we decided to install a swimming pool for children. We realized our mistakes, and next season we will try to sow a lawn that is resistant to trampling and reduce the amount of equipment in the garden. The season ended with the planting of hybrid peonies, Majesty's Star, Manitowoc Maiden, Faithful Dreams, and others. You can read more about the peonies in a separate video. As always, there is not enough space, but there is still work to be done. This year, we plan to remove the hosta from certain areas to free up more space for the lawn. For peonies and perennials, we will install drip irrigation so that we don't have to water everything manually every evening. A garden is a constant work and joy, and every season adds new impressions and ideas for improvement. We didn't manage to do everything, as we work not only in the garden, but also have 5 more greenhouses, but this is a topic for another video.